stuff.
Okay, hi. We're doing the paper pumpkin, which is fun. Basically, here's what's in it.
Okay.
We got this little baggie with a bunch of clothespins in it, and they're black clothespins, which is cool, and they're like mini.
Okay.
And then Stampin' Spot, gorgeous grape. Awesome.
Okay.
And then we have these stamps.
What do they say?
They're really cool.
There's
We got one that says Bon Appetit, but it's spelled B-O-N-E.
Right.
So
Yeah.
puns.
Yeah, for skeletons.
Yeah, and then you got Trick or Treat. Eat If You Dare, which is good. I like that one. I think it's my favorite. And what's this? Happy Halloween, obviously, because you need that in any Halloween set. And then Toxic Treats. Did I say that one already?
Yeah, I don't know. You didn't say
I
it
don't
already.
know.
And
There's dancing skeletons.
two dancing skeletons.
Two dancing skeletons, which is
They're doing the monster
awesome.
mash, probably.
Yeah. Skull and crossbones, because you need that. How could you not have a skull and crossbones? And yeah.
That's cool.
You get the platform things, the hexagon platform things.
Yeah, dimensionals.
Dimensionals.
And they're black.
And they're black ones, which is different. So, they're mixing it up.
All right, what else?
Okay. You got a bunch of these polka dot things. I think they're for the structural
Oh, and then
stuffs.
some of them have stripes.
Yeah, you got stripes and polka dots.
Yeah. And they're all black and orange, and they're kind of shiny.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You get a heckin' lot of those.
Yeah, heckin' lot is exactly how many there are. We got the gorgeous grape, Stampin' Spot. Oh, you did that. Okay.
See, like, this is a lot. A lot of them. It's a lot.
So it's always going to have the instructions, and on the back it actually has the list of what your kit includes. So
you get these
there are
little...
20 of these.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah.
You also get these little name tag looking things.
Label dingers.
Yeah, which are cool.
Mm-hmm.
And you can, like, multi-purpose them if there's extras. Because they're orange and shiny, like everything else.
There's some more tags.
There's more tags that are just plain white in a different shape. They're in, like, a... Let's see. We'll pop one out so I can show you. They're like that shape, which is neat. And
these are adhesive dots.
Adhesive dots.
Because you don't even need to go get your
Spotted adhesive.
Everything you need to put this kit together is in
there.
The box.
It's crazy awesome.
Okay, we got some vellum die cut shapes.
Oh, cool. I don't know if you can see that, but they're sort of transparent.
Yeah.
Like, you can see my hand through it.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, look how cool these are.
I know. They're... Okay, you probably can't see this. Oh, yes, you can.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's a bone spider web with a skull in the center.
And then...
Oh, the dancing skeletons! And a skeleton hand. That's awesome. I want all of these for myself, but we have to make paper pumpkin stuff out of them. And the name actually makes sense now because it's Halloween, pumpkins. You got these little tag things in black and purple.
Okay, let's look at the checklist and see if we have everything. Okay, we got the stamp set.
Yes.
We got the gorgeous grape Stampin' Spot.
Definitely.
We got foil tags, that's these. We got one sheet of vellum die cuts, that's these. One sheet laser cut elements.
I think those are these.
Yeah, that's that. 5 sheets of die cut elements, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20 boxes.
It's a lot of boxes.
20 mini black clothespins, 100 adhesive dots, and 50 black mini dimensionals.
There are more dots than there are boxes. That's a lot of dots.
Because we got to put multiple things
Yeah.
on each box.
It doesn't look like a lot,
No.
but it's a lot of dots.
It also tells us that if we want to use additional colors,
You can.
the coordinating colors are basic black, gorgeous grape, pumpkin pie, and whisper white.
Pumpkin pie, that makes sense.
And then it has right here, it's got a little photo of what it's going to look like when it's done.
And then it's got a big photo.
And then it's got some alternatives. If you don't want to do the treat boxes, here are some other projects that you could do with what's inside.
And then there's a huge photo
Yes.
of all of it,
Mm-hmm.
which is what we're gonna make.
Mm-hmm.
And then, of course,
The beautiful box.
the box is awesome.
Yeah.
Wait,
You
is
want
that
to know
gonna...
something?
There.
I've
Can you
seen,
read that? Probably not.
yeah. I've seen some people posting pictures online of turning this box into like a haunted house type thing.
I want to do that.
Doesn't that sound amazing?
Next video. Woo, woo, woo. Oh, and also,
Yeah. Oh
it
yeah.
came with this stuff,
Black tissue paper.
which I think is awesome because it's like you're unwrapping a gift.
Oh, every time it comes with you're unwrapping a gift. And
Well,
then-
I didn't know that, and now I do, and that's great. It also says Bon Appetit on the side of the box.
That's the name of the kit.
Yeah.
Okay.